Good morning, everyone. John from Popeyes Postcards. Going to do our What Sold video. Slept in this morning, so that's why this is a little late. Over the weekend, this is Friday the 18th, 19th, and 20th. I think that's what it was, or vice something like that. No, today's the 20th, so whatever. 3 days, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You can see 31 orders, 544 on the main store. Biggest sell was not a postcard. And then on the airplane card store, 3 orders for $48. So almost $600 for the weekend, which is again great for not doing a damn thing. So let's go ahead and get started here. This is World War I, Battle of Marne, destroyed bridge, ambulance, real photo. There's the ambulance there. World War I era, 1799. The back. This is ad postcard, Traverse, Pennsylvania, Golden Horse Inn Restaurant, $4.99. Patriotic World War I era AEF, American Expeditionary Forces, Doughboy, Soldier, Allied Flags. I sell this one all the time, anywhere between, there's different versions of almost the same card, anywhere between $10 to $13. This one was $9.99. Patriotic Civil War Vet World War I Soldiers Today and Yesterday. I believe this is a Tux card. Maybe not. I've seen ones like this just that are Tux cards. $13.49 for that one. This is Ontario, Canada. The town of London. Darlene Motel Restaurant Multi-View Interior. I like the little lunch counter there, a little coffee shop. That's kind of cool. $7.99 for that one. Next is Wiki Wachi, Florida Mermaids on Seahorses. $9.99. I always pick these up, usually $1 or $2. I don't pay more than $1 for them. $9.99 for that one. Next, Large Letter Greetings San Diego. We've seen this one a couple times. Came in the auctions from last August. I think it was $2.99 I got for this. Adirondack Mountains, Indian Lake, East Main Street, 1911. Adirondack Mountains, that they always sell. $19.99. Here's the non-postcard. It's new with tags. Disney, Disneyland, Shag is the artist. 31 Ghosts. This is a shirt. I got it when I was at Disney World last time, probably 3+ years ago, I think. Or did I order it? I don't know. I got this somehow. I just cannot pull these like Aloha Hawaiian shirts off. Can't do it. So I think this sold for $120. So I make a little bit of money. I probably paid $60 or $70 for it. Next is this is a private mailing card, Tuck, heraldic, the capital embossed. Beautiful cards, 1904, 1902-ish, $16.99. Same person bought this one, and same person bought this one. Again, I think they were on best offers because there were some residual offers out there. But yeah, 3 of those sold. Next is Thompson, Pennsylvania, view on Jackson Street. Probably got this, not sure where I got it now. But anyway, it sold for $18.99. Most of these are probably on offers, offers that I sent. This is Maine, Belfast, Perry's Nut House, old car, vintage linen. Some wasted keywords, I think, with old and vintage. Probably could have done a little bit better with that. But $5 best offer. This is Large Letter Greetings from Hendersonville, North Carolina, 1939. $4.99 for that one. This is Texas Texas City aerial view of ruins, 1947 explosion. Real photo. Paid 50 cents for that card from the dealer who passed away at an antique, or not at an antique mall, but he was in an antique mall, passed away. You know the story. I just noticed I've been selling a lot of decent value cards here over the weekend. Reno, Nevada, Multiview Greetings, Casino and City Views. This is a 4x6 card. Came in the auction from last August. $2.49. Merry Christmas, Boy and Girl Dancing Under Holly, artist signed Francis Brundage. Brundage and Clapsaddle, usually comparable in value. $15.99. This is Archbold, Ohio, St. Martin's Lutheran Church, real photo. Got this at the York Postcard show. Paid an average of 80 cents for those cards. This one sold for $16.99. Next, Alton Bay, New Hampshire, paddle wheel steamboat or steamer boat, Mount Washington, 1930s. And I took a best offer of $10. This is Maryland, Scenic Greetings from Betterton, Maryland, 1950s linen, $6.99. Same buyer bought this one, also Betterton, Maryland, and paid $9.99. Scenic Greetings from Betterton, Maryland. Same person bought this one, $10.99. That's why I like these Scenic Greetings, and that's paper from an old album right there, and it didn't really affect the value. And they bought this one too, Betterton Motel, Chesapeake Inn Hotel. Did I say Betterton Motel? I meant Betterton, Maryland. $22.99. Again, probably 20% off offer on these. Tulsa, Oklahoma. New Civic Center 1950s cars. $4 on a best offer. Then a buyer came in and bought a whole bunch of these. What are those things? Fire trucks from Pennsylvania. I've explained this deal before. Had these for 8+ years now. Says sold out, but I believe I have another dozen copies of this one. Best offers on these two, usually around $240, something like that. And this one, Stilton Dress Factory, also sold out, but I have more. And this one, Garage Fire. And this one, Church. And another Dress Factory. So this guy bought them all, and I have to relist them. And then this one, Stilton. And then this one. It was like a $20-some-odd order for these, which I thought was pretty good. This is Valentine's Woman, Lips of Cherry, Bright Eyes, Mary. Someone wanted 15 cents for that card at one time. I'd pay 15 cents for that card easily. $8.49. Valentine, Postman Will Know My Secret. I'm in love with you. Aww. Also came in the auction from last August. $1.99. I think they buy a couple of them. Anyway, I've sold 2 of them. They also bought this one. Easter Greetings, Fantasy Chicks Riding in Egg Train Cars. I always like these little ones. $11.49. Could have been a best offer on that one. York, Pennsylvania, 1908 view of York Country Club. Been up for 8+ years, and I got $8.99 out of it. This is Patriotic Decoration Day Civil War Union Flag Metal Tux. Best offer of $11. Even with the damage, still got $11 off of it. Next is McKeesport, Pennsylvania, Blast Furnaces, the National Tube Company. Come across these all the time. $4.99. Next, same guy came back in and bought another one of these fire stations. $4.99. Bradenton, Florida, Manatee County Memorial Hospital aerial view. Guarantee doesn't look like this anymore. $5.99. Next is Jefferson, Ohio, Ashtabula County Courthouse. I don't know what happened up here. $6 best offer. And then the last one is Ormond Beach Dual View Greetings, 1950s cars on beach. $6.55. So there you go. Yeah, pretty solid weekend again for not listing in 3 months or so. I will take this each and every day. And the preview video is up for Tuesday's auction. I have like 28 lots, I think, already picked out. So go check that out. I'll link it here at the end. But a lot of good stuff again. So yeah, if you wish, come check that out. Well, I clicked something and I can't get out of this, so we'll call it quits for the day. I hope you have, oh wait, hold on, wait. I hope you all have a good day. That's a heart. Okay. Thank you, everybody. We'll see you next time.